there is a person is there. There is a salesman is there, something like a salesperson. But this person is the responsible to sell fuel to a large chain store company. Chain store company to the large chain store company. A salesman want to sell the fuel. For years he failed. For years onwards, for a particular company tried to sell, but they didn't accept change. He failed. What happened is one day he changed the style. Okay, instead of trying to sell the fuel, what this person did is he visited senior executive in the company. He visited senior executive in the company and he asked her, "Sir, I require a small suggestion, a small help from you." Like this person asked her. I don't know. I didn't came here to sell my fuel. I require a small help, a small suggestion from you. Okay, like, okay, what suggestion you require? He explained that he was preparing for a debate about chain stores. I'm preparing for a debate about chain stores and wanted to understand their point of view. Sir, you are the best person to talk about chain store business. I want to participate in the debate about chain stores. Can you please provide guidelines? Can you please give some suggestions? Like that supervisor, the executive became excited. He spent almost 1 hour 45 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes, around 2 hours explaining everything. Introduced other executives also. Other executives also. He shared the books and the material. So which is helpful for the debate. Okay. And finally, that executive said to the salesman, "Please see me again later. I should like to place an order with you for the fuel. I would like to give an order for the fuel for you." Like that executive told in reverse to that person. Here, what thing is happening? Whenever we are asking a suggestion, whenever we are asking a guidelines, then automatically you are giving importance for that person, for his experience, for his knowledge. Correct, right? Anna, a small suggestion is required from you. Small guidelines can be required. Just 1 minute, can you please spend for me? If any person is going to ask you means, oh, I'm the great person, he recognized it. He recognized I'm the great person. He is respecting for my experience. That feeling you are going to get or not? That feeling obviously we are going to get, right? That makes him. That makes him. So to get an order for the fuel, years onwards he failed. Almost around years, multiple years onwards, he's going there. Can you please buy the fuel from us? Sorry, go out. But once he changed the style, the things are working.